Skies remain seated. We're clear. Wave goodbye. Wave like you mean it, guys. Wave like you mean it. You'll never see him again. Yeah, you never really saw him before, though. Wave goodbye to all my healthy relationships. Bye, guys. See you later. Eventually, one day. All right. Oh, jeez. Welcome to the Jingle Cruise. You guys know you're missing the fireworks for this, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. Anyways, my name's Skipper Trey. I'll be your skipper today. Our journey begins here in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains about 365 days a year. That's like every other day. That's pretty cool, I think. Right? Every other day? Every other day? I don't know. Over there are some, oh wow, some humbugs, if you can see them. Over there are the humbugs. And over there are the bah humbugs on that side. They're grumpier because Christmas. Sorry for the itching. Those are just the fleas, Navidad. Yeah, we don't know how to get rid of them either. On the left here is Inspiration Falls. There it is, Inspiration Falls. Rumor has it the longer you stare into the falls, the more it inspires you to have to go. Caroling. Just go caroling. Alright guys, our journey will continue onto the Congo River. Now our boats weren't really designed to go down the Congo River, so let's see how far we can't go. Should be fun. I did set up a party though. I invited all my friends, okay? They're bringing all the fun party stuff. Candy canes, fruit cake, eggnog, gingerbread, snickerdoodle. You name it, they're gonna have it here at the party, okay? It's gonna be great. We're gonna make gingerbread houses. I'm pretty excited. It's been a long time since I've had a good holiday party, so okay. As you can see, none of my friends showed up, just like high school. It's fine, I'll get over it eventually. Now I did get you guys all a gift for Christmas. Hope you don't mind. It's just up ahead here. It's a partridge in a pear. Okay, never mind. I forgot. I wrapped that tree up with a boa on top, though. It's a nice boa. Curly polka dots, all you need in the boa. Over there, oh geez. That's my camp, guys. And you'll notice that my in-laws showed up early for the holidays. Hey guys, how are you doing? Good? I love that sweater. Yeah, it looks very good on you. Got it from Target. Okay, all right. Good to see ya. Was that all convincing? Cool, awesome. All right, guys, we're now on the longest river in the world, the Nile. You know, the one that goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in Africa. On the left, you're gonna hear Jim. Jim, you up there? There you are. Yeah, he's hiding in the trees. Yeah, he's the second scariest elephant in the world, and he's hiding from this one over here, the scariest one, his mother-in-law. Hey, Susan. Good. Bye, Susan. All right. On the right's a rock. That's it. Yeah, just a rock. Not everything here is a joke. All right, guys, we're in the African belt. Look at all these reindeer, like those long-necked reindeer and those bearded reindeer, those new reindeer, those barcode reindeer, and those winged reindeer, and those lions surrounding that barcode reindeer. You know what that means, right? It's the circle of life. I'm just kidding. He's just sleeping. He's just sleeping. That's how they sleep, on their sides with their necks bent, surrounded by lions. He's probably just dead, tired. On the right is the Jingle Cruise Band. Hey guys, how are you? Oh geez. Yeah, they came out here to put a star on top of that tree, and it looks like that rhino did help them out in the end. That's nice of him, though. Those hyenas are a special breed, though. Those are elf hyenas, you know, Santa's little yelpers. Now, just around the river bend, you're going to see Schweitzer Falls. There it is, right there, Schweitzer Falls. Now, normally, guys, we would just take a right and go around the falls here. But it's the holidays. We're changing things up, and we're going to go underneath the falls. Hope you guys are excited. Schweitzer Falls is named after the Jungle Navigation Company founder, Dr. Snowfalls. He's a great guy. This was his idea. He was like, hey guys, let's go into the falls. It's going to be so much fun. So here we go. It's going to be great. It's going to get cold though. Alright, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, you guys are going to get wet. It's just later. There are some elephants. They spray some stuff. Now guys, every time I go home to visit my mom, she does ask me the same question. She always goes, Trey, how'd you spend 5 years in college and then get a job on a boat going in circles? I say, Mom, it's pretty plain to see. Yeah, it was a crash course. Nowadays I'm just winging it. And no, my career did not take off like I thought it would. Alright guys, looks like we're being surrounded by some hungry hippos. I guess I should be a little more specific on my Christmas list because I did just want the game, but you know, I did want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Well, only a hippopotamus would do. No crocodiles or rhinoceroses, and well, you know the rest of the song, so it's fine. Alright guys, oh geez. Yeah, looks like we're entering headhunter territory. Not a great place to be headed, so keep your eyes peeled, okay? Now it is home to some of your favorite holiday characters, like just up there under that shack, that's Dancer and Prancer. Yeah, look at him go in a circle just like me every 10 to 12 minutes. Up there we have the little drummer boy. There he is doing his thing. How do you keep it up? Okay, bye. Alright. Oh jeez, guys, don't do this. You're starting. Alright, listen, we've talked about this I don't know how many times, and yet you're still doing the same thing. I don't know. Please take off the costume. It's the holiday season. Put on the Santa hat. So why are you doing this to me? Just stop screaming so much, okay? Yeah, they're really into Halloween. I don't know, it's weird. Alright, here it is, guys. The eighth wonder of the world. The outstanding, awe-inspiring, world-renowned backside of water. Woo! There it is, yeah, right there. You only see it here in the Jingle, Chris, because you know it's fancy like that. And I like to call it O2H, you know, just a little science joke there. That mist on your face is a complimentary facial. That's the finale. Yeah, it has some of the rarest tropical bacteria in the world. You're welcome. Alright guys, well we're now in Southeast Asia. We're on the Mekong River, and guys, look at that. They decorated. How cute. Oh my goodness. Now you know what, guys, being on this boat with all of you right now reminds me of my family during the holidays, except for most of you are smiling, and I'm not sitting at the kids' table. Now guys, if I'm not mistaken, we are now entering Santa's secret workshop. Looks kind of spooky though, so you better watch out. You better not cry. But it did lead us out into this Indian elephant bathing pool, guys. Look at the cute elephants. Oh my goodness. Take some pictures. Take some pictures. Yeah, they all have their trunks on, so it's fine. Over there under that waterfall, that's Bertha. Hey, Bertha. Now, normally we would shower her with gifts for the holiday season, but she was pretty stinky this year, so we gave her the gift of a shower instead, you know, changing it up. Now, guys, it is cold season here in the jungle. Our elephants could be experiencing some post-nasal drip. He's been having it rough all week long. It's been terrible. Now, guys, if he comes up a second time and sprays the boat, you're going to think it's water. It's not. Well, I guess he's still pretty stuffed up. Hey, take your medicine. Okay, feel better. All right, guys. Well, we're coming to the end of our journey here today. It has been real. It has been fun. And some would say it's been real fun. Either, it's okay. We've laughed together, we've cried together, we nearly died together. Some of you just sat there and stared at me for 10 minutes. It's fine. On the left is Trader Samta. There he is, Trader Samta. He's the head salesman. Sales have been shrinking. Not too sure what he's doing in them. He does have a lovely holiday special going on right now, guys, just for this boat. It's 3 of his heads here, just 1 of yours. Are there any takers? Please raise your hand. Think about it. It's pretty cutthroat. No matter how you slice it or dice it, you're going to come out ahead. Yeah. Alright guys, there it is, the end of our journey, the part where you leave, and just a few more things to say. If you did laugh today, thanks. Thanks so much for laughing. If you did not laugh today, thanks. Thanks so much for leaving. Get out. Oh, that was rude. Where's my holiday spirit? Make like Santa and leave my presents, okay? Yeah, that wasn't a joke. Get out of my boat, please. Alright. Happy holidays. Oh, no, 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 no.